Hi everybody, how's it going? It's Christina here. Delighted to be chatting at the Health and Wellbeing Expo on 1st of November. So what we're going to be doing is looking at those all-important healthy habits on a daily basis. Look it, you are your own best caregiver when it comes to your health. But sometimes we just don't know where to start. That's where I'm going to help you. So we're going to provide you with piece of paper, pen, bring your own notebook, and let's get a plan in place to help you to monitor your nutrition, your exercise, your sleep, and the all-important mindset and your mental health on a daily basis for you to become the best caregiver in your health. I'm super excited, really looking forward to seeing you there. I'll also have a stand, come and chat to me, let's do some mini consultation, and I'll bring my health books as well.